Hello friends and welcome to my little kitchen. This is Mai and I am Sayuri. Today is a Rakhi special episode in which we will be making cornflake and peanut chocolates. So let's get started. The ingredients used to make cornflake and peanut chocolates are some cornflakes, 1 cup of dark compound chocolate, 1 cup of milk compound chocolate, half cup of roasted peanuts, any sprinkles of your choice, cookie cutters. If you don't have cookie cutters, you can also use bowls, a ziplock bag, and a rolling pin.
Then this is some hot water where we'll be keeping a bowl. For those who have missed on the Jambo recipe, we had melted the chocolate. So once again we are going to show you. First we are putting the milk compound chocolate, and then we are adding the dark compound chocolate. You can use chocolate of any brand that is available. Now we are going to melt this. It will take some 5 to 10 minutes. Our chocolate is about to melt now. Another 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll crush the peanuts and the cornflakes. Now let's add the peanuts. And the cornflakes in the ziplock bag. Yes. And now we are going to crush this with the help of a rolling pin. Now we've crushed the peanuts and the cornflakes. Now let's remove the chocolate. And to this chocolate, now we are going to add the
crushed peanuts and cornflakes mixture.
Let's give it a nice mix. And now we are going to put this mixture in the molds. Let's take. Always put a butter paper so that the chocolate doesn't stick to the plate. Put the mixture in the molds. That's enough. Let's level it. Yes, this should be enough. Let's level it. Yes. And now our plate will go in the fridge for another 10 minutes. Now we are going to add the sprinkler so that it will stick to the chocolates when it is hot. Looking very pretty and they taste nice and crunchy. Guys, make it for your brother, your sisters, for this Rakhi.
You can also make small rocks from the same mixture if molds are not available at your place. Now let's add some sprinkles for decoration.
Now our peanut and cornflakes chocolates are ready. Make them for your near and dear brothers and sisters. And a very happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you all from my little kitchen.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you'll be able to watch the newly posted videos. See you next time. Bye!